As long as you want it and your dad doesn't know how to make it, a scrap tire, after a series of professional modifications, becomes a hot commodity that the homestay owner is willing to pay a high price for. From the pile of tires, find the most beautiful one. Without hesitation, take out the cutting knife, sharpen to the strength of the wind, and begin to cut. The main purpose is to remove the strongest inner ring of the tire and use it as the raw material for the heaviest lead part. Next, use a tape measure to find the inner ring. Mark the center of the chair before cutting. This ensures the two pieces are the same size, effectively preventing unevenness in the finished product. Now, two craftsmen work together to assemble the four legs. The main purpose is to remove the strongest inner ring of the tire and use it as the raw material for the heaviest lead part. Next, use a tape measure to find the inner ring. Mark the center of the chair before cutting. This ensures the two pieces are the same size, effectively preventing unevenness in the finished product. Now, two craftsmen work together to assemble the four legs. The installation process is quite simple. A 10 cm long steel nail is driven through the center of each leg. This is crucial to ensure the chair won't split when used by the customer. To ensure the product's comfort and strength, the base and seat cushion will be separated by a rubber pad. The pre-cut 100-ton netting strip is now carefully wrapped around the connection between the two rubber rings. This further increases the seat's load-bearing capacity. While this purely handmade product is of reliable quality, due to production limitations and high labor costs, ordinary locals generally don't buy it easily. The main customers are businesses like hotels and tourist attractions. Similarly, the seat cushions. High elastic rubber strips are used, and during installation, they must be properly stretched. Without specialized tools to adjust the tightness, Lal Bar relied on his extensive experience to determine the correct fit. The seat back only requires a complete tire inner rim. Assemble it to the pre-made base, and the simple, damage-free backrest is ready. After a busy day, the master takes a short break before beginning the final finishing touches. The hollowed-out area in the center of the backrest also needs to be reassembled. An appropriate amount of rubber strips are added to enhance the structural stability between the upper and lower parts. All joints are secured with steel nails of various sizes. I feel like by the time the craftsmen finish producing a chair, they've used up at least 80 grams of nails, not even half a pound. After cleaning up the excess scraps, they use several types of scrap tires. A meticulously crafted custom chair is successfully created. How much do you think this unique work of art would sell for? Luby would be more reasonable.